YouTube friends, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Yesenia. Hello, and I do invite you today to subscribe to this YouTube channel as I will be posting more content. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make tilapia ceviche right at home, and it's quick and easy. On all of the ingredients are as pictured here, which are 6 tilapia slices here, and these items pictured here, which is cilantro, cucumber, lemons, tomato, serrano, and red onion. Other items needed is going to be salt, at your preference, black pepper, salsa huichol for the very end of coating, your marisquera salsa negra, and these are definitely my go-to here. Also optional is a culichi dipping hot sauce. So let's get started. You first want to begin by cutting up your tilapia in small little pieces, just all the way through. Here I went ahead and diced it all up, and I'm going to cut through all of my lemons next and squeeze them and set them in a container, and then of course pour them into my fish. Okay, my lemon juice is ready to pour over my fish, and then of course I'm gonna let it marinate until it kind of cooks thoroughly in lemon and the red onion to marinate all together. Now I will be adding salt here twice over, so about a tablespoon of it. If you need measurements, also I'm going in with the black pepper twice over as well. Now here we just mix the ingredients. Okay, I've set the fish in the fridge to set. And just give it a couple hours, the minimum. I'm taking my cucumbers and rubbing the ends, and of course just clean up the rest of the vegetables. Okay, here I went ahead and cut up all my vegetables, so that's all done. Now what I'm going to do is add in the additional salt, pepper, and the negra sauce. So just go twice over. Again, that salt is completely optional. All right, twice over here too. Then I'm go in with the marisquera la negra sauce that you can find at your local Latin section, or this one I usually find at Rancho Market, Mid City. They also should carry them. So I'm just going to go twice over and then give it a good mix. So I'll be back once the fish sets. Hey guys, so it's been about 6 hours after since I did step out, and this is what your fish should look like. So at this point, I'm just going to go in with my ingredients, add in that clamato, and I usually get the picante clamato, but I'm using this one today. And of course, I'm going to give it a good stir and shake up. And that is pretty much it. You can go ahead and top off with that tostada. Definitely add in guacamole if you like. So, and then again, top it off with your salsa of your preference if you don't like the ones pictured here. But these are just some of them. Of course, we do sometimes use the Tapatio brand, but look how good this looks, and it smells so good. Actually, it's nice and fresh. Should feed about, I would say, up to 5 people. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video today. If so, hit that like button, please, and turn off the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.